So I follow a fellow creator on here who has herpes, and she talks about it loud and not proud, but she's trying to eliminate the stigma from people who have STDs and STIs, which means the same thing. And really like normalize talking about STDs so that people in relationships will start talking about them. So in honor of her transparency, I'm going to talk about when I got an STD. A few years ago, got an STD called HPV, human papillomavirus. There are over 100 different strands of this virus. Some cause cancer, some do nothing in your body, and some cause genital warts. I got the genital warts kind. It was embarrassing as fuck. I was humiliated and shameful. And why? I wasn't a whore. I wasn't sleeping around with a bunch of people. My body count is 9 total, friends, and I'm 44. So, also, I was using a condom because, I was a sex ed teacher. But I also knew that HPV and herpes and some of these are skin-to-skin contact, and you can still get it from the other contact areas. It's not just fluid transmission. So I got it. Now, within a couple of years, it left my body. Some viruses can be transient and leave, and I no longer have it and have negative test results to prove it. But 20% of America has STDs, okay? And when you take out kids and monogamous people and asexual people, like that's an even bigger number. So this lady that I'm going to tag below talks very openly about it and how it's really no different than getting COVID or any other infection, but yet we have a huge stigma about it and nobody wants to talk about it. And that's why it keeps spreading, because no one's talking about it. So before you become exclusive with anyone, you need to have this discussion. Do you have anything? Do I have anything? Do we have any medical records to show it? Because if you're not mature enough to have this discussion, you're probably not mature enough to be having sex.